Hi guys! So, we're gonna play Talking Hindi. Wait.
Ulit. Alis ka ba rin dyan?
Nice friend. Okay, let's go. Oh, what is this?
Hi guys, this is my channel.
My just friend just...
I have a
Visually
best friend
selecting.
who's joining me. Hi,
Hi!
This is my best friend and she's a YouTuber channel too. And she got 4 subscribers. Please subscribe him. Her name is Summer
Please!
Albo. And like and comment if you want
Where are you going? My just friend.
Time to build the house. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna make a portal.
Wait a minute. You need to I build house.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you please the
1, 2, 3. Wait.
go in
Wow.
go back?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1. Okay. Over here. Over here. And oh.
But she's making a portal. This is my best friend. She always makes a portal.
P.
I make this all by myself. And
5. 4. I keep ads.
she keep ads, but she's need to ads first.
And you too. You add.
Ads here.
Oh, I love my
And
portal.
concrete.
Look at my portal.
We need concrete.
I love my portal.
We.
Bro, it's not like that. It's like this.
That's easy like that.
Wow.
Hey, don't break it.
She. I'm gonna
Don't say the baby word.
I'm gonna make a house. That's my idea.
Yeah. And wait a minute.
I'm gonna so lapit.
Stop the Tagalog.
Mm,
Tagalog. Hey, don't
What?
hit the line color.
what? I'm making my house here.
Portal. Pinakamalayo. I mean, at Tagalog.
Yeah, and you're speaking English.
Speak Tagalog.
And
Say the Tagalog.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Speak in
5.
Tagalog. She said that. I mean, she's Tagalog, right? You're Tagalog, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She said that.
And 1, 2. And like this again. Like this. 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 I cannot put it. Wait. Okay.
Oh my.
Look, I can teleport for you.
Yes, I can. I see.
Look, look. Look, I can teleport. Where's the portal?
Hey.
Oh, where's the portal? Oh, where's the another portal? I am just gonna, I'm
We're
gonna
almost
teleport
in
in
the
that
portal.
portal. Okay.
Hi, we're gonna go there.
Portal. Look, I'm here.
I can see you.
I see you there.
I can see the portal. I can see them.
It's so easy if they teleport. I need my wait.